beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jennifer, again. So today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make one of my favorite vegetable salad. So here's one of my favorite vegetable salad, a combination of cabbage and carrot with a mix of almonds and walnuts. But it's up to you guys what nuts you wish to mix up. And we also have here a cherry tomato and olives, but these are optional. So let's start. Now that all the ingredients are ready, let's do the finishing touches. I'm gonna be adding the carrots, almonds, because almonds will add a flavor into our salad. The olives. Let's add the olive oil. It's up to you guys how much olive you want to put. Salt. And a freshly ground black pepper. And a freshly squeezed lemon. Let's mix up. Our salad is ready.
Wow!
Let's try it. Naglimas.
Wow!
That's why I love cabbage salad, because aside from the health benefits, it is very easy to prepare. At may nabasa ako, ang cabbage daw ay good for the heart. Kaya pag broken-hearted ka, mag-cabbage salad ka na. Thank you guys for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to be notified for my upcoming videos. Stay safe everyone. See you in my next vlog.